on, guys? Come to you today to show you how to fix your Ring doorbell. This one right here is probably about a year old or so. I don't know what's up with this. The UPS and FedEx people must have been shooting the button with a BB gun or something to chip the paint away right there. But I took this off of my house to paint my house, like for a couple of hours, and put it back on, and it doesn't work anymore. So I went ahead and checked it out. I mean, the terminals don't look terrible. This looks some kind of way corroded to some extent. Not sure what the issue was. I mean, I had it silicone and sealed to the part that mounts to the wall. There shouldn't be any moisture getting to it. But anyway, so if you look in the box that you get it with, they have this tool right here. A plastic handle. It's got a Phillips and T25 or T20 on the other end, but this won't help you at all. You know, that's just to tighten this up and to mount it. So if you want this to act right, the only tool you really need, and you might not be able to find one at a hardware store, you go on Amazon and get a duck hammer for about 50 bucks, and you come out and put that on your tailgate. What you got to do is you got to get inside, you know. And once you get inside, well, I'm not quite there yet, but almost. Okay. So now that you're inside, you can see that it probably won't work anymore. So you should probably just go ahead and buy another one. Hope this helps you. Take it easy.